basically have a pneumatic ram, which consists of a repurposed syringe body. On this one we've remade the piston assembly. We know what litres per second is, what millimetres of water pressure is, so we just had to adapt things to move volumes of air. So we didn't need to know anything about the patient. There was no time to learn about lungs or breathing. We just needed the experts to tell us to convert that into air, and we can provide it. Anything that was complicated, we took it out, we looked for an alternative, we found a way of achieving that design requirement in a very simple way so that we can make these things in volume. There's no reason why thousands of emergency ventilators can't be built each day if we've got people set up making the bits, assembling the ventilators, and there's people at the hospital ready to set them up and attach them and calibrate them, then yeah, we can go. The tricky bit was making this little valve block that's in here. There's a little multi-port valve